Okay, so this is a 6-mark question. You could get this on maybe the foundation paper for Geography GCSE. Explain the disadvantages of the increasing global demand for energy. So just the first thing we've got to do is it's only disadvantages, so the bad things we've got to talk about. And with 6 marks, we could probably get it with 2 developed points, but 3 could be helpful. So instantly I'm thinking increased demand for energy. So let's say like electricity, we're using more energy, and the disadvantages of that. So the first thing popping into my head is global warming and climate change. So here we go, going to start writing. So firstly, more energy use is leading to lots of connectors as much as we can. More fossil fuels being burnt. Which is causing global warming. Through the greenhouse effect. Right, so we need to say why that's bad, because it's disadvantages. So this means that, to get my connective in there, so I'm making sure I'm developing my points. This means that ice caps will melt. And consequently, sea levels will rise. Causing coastal flooding in many areas. So I'm always thinking, right, can I develop it further? Can I develop it further? So even though I've written quite a lot, can I develop it further? So I'm thinking, yes, if coastal areas get flooded, people will have to move. So this means that again. Great connective to use. This means that people will have to move. And actually, I can use a better word than move. I can use migrate, which is a good geography key term. So we go, one negative impact. Secondly, let's do global warming again, but we're going to do a different impact. Secondly, global warming will lead to an increase in the frequency and intensity of storms, so hurricanes, etc. are going to get more frequent, so they can happen more often. Frequency and intensity they're going to be stronger. So let's develop this point to finish. This means that, another connective, there may be more deaths as a result of natural disasters. And governments might have to pay more to clean up, and more damage costs. So we've done one kind of environmental, maybe social, and then the second one's economic there. You could do loads more points. We're going to stick to 2. We've developed them really well. Key thing being to use lots of connectives.